It's all nice and clean. What are you doing? Oh, get it to go straight?
As straight as I can. Coming out. Okey-doke. That's better.
Remember how we couldn't have any, it had to be perfectly straight.
Otherwise, you pull a David into the bridge.
BAM! I think you're okay, but the wind's totally cross right now. Ooh, it's not too bad for a first flight.
Just like I remember.
You gonna leave it this color?
Oh yeah, I'm not messing with it.
Go high, go high, go high, go high.
What's the direction we're going in?
Alright, I'll do that.
It feels good. I need to move my battery back.
Better to start out a little nose heavy than tail heavy. Okay, we'll stick to that.
Taking off?
F-5 is back.
Low pass, left to right. Yeah, it's a little heavy.
Is this a 5,000 or 4,000?
4,000.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
See that?
was that you?
No, that's. I
just-
just let go. I'm pulling up.
Oh, you're pulling up. Well, maybe it's not nose heavy. Maybe it's just out of trim. Maybe it just needed trim because it's brand new. Your battery was way the hell back there, so it can't be nose heavy.
It feels like it's rocking around.
It's not the plane, it's there's thermals out. I'm seeing birds circling everywhere, so. I think you're just out of trim.
Runway's clear? Yeah, it is. Is that there? Oh yeah? I got it for $80. Oh wow. I need to dial down my throws in this thing.
It looks like you're rocking.
I'm not. I'm getting old, man. God damn.
Oh, you mean you might need expo now?
No, I think I either I have too much expo.
Oh, are these the stock servos, or are they the same ones you had?
Everything is the same.
Okay.
It shouldn't be,
It is a clean airframe though, so things might be different. Things you got used to on the old one may not be the same.
Landing. Okay.
Left to right. is. Nice. Nice. Very nice.
Yeah, it feels really like it's just wanting to go down. No, like
Still?
the nose just wants to do
Okay.
this. I don't think I had my battery far back.
I thought you put it way back. If you had more room, then... Oh, you've got a gear door too now, which you didn't before. That's not a lot of weight, but it is some.
Yeah, I'll show you. Because I know...
Coming out.
Yeah, yeah.
So where's your battery?
Oh.
What?
That's where yours is different.
What?
My elevator here. I'll show you. I think maybe it's just a trim. Maybe you're right.
It is, yeah.
So on yours, I noticed that your elevator was not.
Yeah.
It was like low. It was like right here instead of.
No, it's about right there. It's just a hair below where that one is right now.
But. What? What
Is
the
it
fuck?
unplugged? What happened?
I have no idea.
Unplug it?
No.
To deal with that.
I have no fucking clue.
Oh yeah, you could have gone way further back, but I still think that it was.
What is up with that?
You might have unplugged them.
Unplug them how?
I don't know.
Throttle cut. Gear down. Gear up. Gear down.
I want to check it. Anyway, so you got your flight in. It's good.